Hello tutor and classmates, this is Edwin Nunez for the subject Introduction to Linguistics, and here the topic is silent L. It means that you don't have to pronounce L in the word. Here we have some examples. Salmon, salmon. Don't say salmon, no. Salmon. Wood, wood. Talk, talk. Come, come. No calm, no. Come, come. Palm, palm. Half, half. Walk, walk. Psalm, psalm. This word comes from the Bible, from the Holy Bible. The Psalms in the Bible. As you can see, the letter L is before the consonants M, K, V, and T, T sound. For example, here in walk, this is K, so is L before K, the consonant. But it's a general rule. But we don't have maybe to learn these kind of specific things. The idea is to keep in mind the pronunciation of the word when you see it in a text. The second case we have here the sound. It could be voice dental fricative, as in this at the beginning, and also we have some cases at the end. The pronunciation of as in they, their, thin, thin, mother, 20th, teeth. So fricative means that it's a little bit friction of the air when you pronounce the word. And in the third case, we have a sound at the beginning or at the end of the word. For example, age, able, April, eight, ancient, and at the end of the word we can say day, play. Never say play, no, play, say, pay, and clay. Thank you very much for your time.